Hi, I'm Francois and I'm from SolidXperience. I'm going to come into your company for just 10 minutes. I'm going to show you these parts and I'm going to walk away and you won't let me leave. It happens every time. With 3D printing, the whole cycle of design and wait goes from design and wait 2 weeks to design and wait 1 day. Reliability where you can walk away and the next morning when you come back, you know your part is finished. 100% perfect finished surface, perfect part every time.